Streamline your coding experience with the advanced capabilities of Deepseek R1, expertly integrated into your Visual Studio Code environment. To get started, launch your Visual Studio Code application. Within VS Code, access the extensions marketplace, typically found on the left-hand sidebar. Type Deepseek R1 into the search field. Locate the Deepseek R1 extension in the search results and click on the Install button. Please allow a moment for the installation to complete. VS Code will typically notify you once the extension is ready. A restart of VS Code may occasionally be beneficial for full feature activation. Once installed, you'll notice Deepseek R1 enhancing your coding with intelligent, context-aware suggestions as you type across a variety of programming languages. Begin writing your code, and Deepseek R1 will proactively offer relevant code completions, significantly reducing manual input and improving accuracy. This integration not only accelerates your development speed, but also contributes to higher code quality by recommending established patterns and syntax. Incorporate the power of Deepseek R1 into your Visual Studio Code workflow to elevate your productivity and enjoy a more intuitive coding journey. Embrace the future of AI-assisted development today.